Hello, SC Model Question Set 1 2076. Question number 15. Calculate the acceleration of an apple of mass 200 gram when it falls towards the earth. Also, find the acceleration of the earth towards the apple. Show it with calculations. So you are given mass of the earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kilograms and radius of the earth 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meters. The question carries 3 points. So let's write what's given. The mass of apple, 200 grams. So we choose to work our calculation in SI units. So we change gram into kilograms divided by 1000. So you have 0.2 kilograms apple. Mass of the earth in kilograms given. And you have a Newton's universal law of gravitation. 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. If it's not given, you must know it. Then you are required to find the acceleration of apple that we label as g1 here, and acceleration of earth we label here as g2. So we could start from calculating the force of gravity. Let's find the force of gravity. The force of gravity is given by Gmm by r square, where small m is the mass of apple, capital M being the mass of earth, and r being the radius of earth. So when you insert these numbers into this equation, just make sure you know well how to play with the scientific notation. You get the force 1.954 Newton. Now the force can also be written as mass times the acceleration. In this case, the acceleration is acceleration due to gravity, g1 for apple, and capital M g2, where g2 is acceleration for earth. Keep in mind, we take a same F because by Newton's third law, force of on earth on apple should be equal to force of apple on earth. Let's try to find out the acceleration due to gravity of apple, basically the acceleration of an apple. You divide the force by the mass of an apple. You get the value, the family value, close to 9.8 meter per second square. In this case, 9.77 meter per second square. So what if we try to find out the acceleration of earth? So we take the same force divided by the mass of the earth. So you get the very small number. You can write down unit in Newton per kilograms, but I'd suggest for acceleration it's good to use meter per second square. So you find the number is very, very, very small. So it shows that even though the apple appears to fall towards the earth, we never notice earth moving towards the apple. So because the acceleration is very small, almost close to zero. If you want, you can choose to keep it as negative, because the acceleration of earth would obviously be opposite to the acceleration of apple, or you can just write the magnitude as I did here. Good luck.